Dear students, till now we have discussed about the simple clipper circuits. We have discussed about one case of series clipper and one case of shunt clipper circuit, and we have discussed some generalized rules for these circuits to draw the output waveform. We have seen that in case of series clipper circuit, in series clipper circuits, when diode is on, output is equal to input voltage, and when diode is off, then output will be equal to 0 in case of series clipper. And in case of shunt clipper circuit, the condition is just reverse. We have discussed earlier that in case of shunt clipper, when diode is on, output is equal to 0, and when diode is off, our output is equal to input voltage. So these are the generalized rules for series and shunt clipper circuits. Now we will discuss about a different type of clipper which is known as biased clipper. In case of biased clipper, the clipper circuit has an additional component which is called DC supply. So now we will discuss about the biased clipper circuits. In biased clipper, we will discuss about series and shunt both cases. So I am considering one example of a biased clipper. Let our circuit is like this. This is a circuit which consists of a DC supply, a diode, and a resistance. It is a series biased clipper. Series clipper. Why series clipper? Because diode is present in the series branch, and why biased? As the DC supply is also present here. So let our input voltage is, I am taking here some numerical value, that is let our input voltage is 10 sin theta. I have taken input as 10 sin theta, that is it varies from plus 10 to minus 10 volt. When this input voltage is applied at the input of this circuit, you can see let the DC supply value is suppose that 2 volt, and diode is considered as ideal. We have to draw the voltage across this resistance RL. We have to draw the waveform of the voltage across RL. The concept of drawing output waveform for any clipper circuit is very simple. As it is a series clipper, you can say that in case of series clipper circuit, when the diode is on, output will be equal to the net input value. Here the net input is resultant of this input voltage as well as this DC supply. Here our net input at the diode's anode is what? Resultant of input voltage as well as this DC supply. So when the diode is on, output will be resultant of these two functions, these two voltages, and when diode is off, the output will be equal to 0. So here the output waveform can be drawn with the help of our generalized rule. In case of series clipper, when diode is on, output will be equal to input. But here what is input? Here the input is resultant of our input voltage as well as DC supply. And in case of when diode is off, output is equal to 0. The rule remains same, but here only we have to consider that the net input voltage is resultant of AC supply and DC supply. Now, first decide when this diode is on. So here at the anode of the diode, the voltage is resultant of these two supplies, and at the cathode the voltage is 0. So when at the anode the net voltage is positive, diode will be on. So let this terminal is A and this terminal is K. So when VA is greater than 0, diode will be on. Or VA is what? VA is resultant of input supply and DC source. That is, V input minus 2 is greater than 0, diode will be on. Or we can write as when V input is greater than 2, our diode will be on. And when V input is less than 2, diode will be off. It means we have to compare our input voltage with the reference voltage 2 volt. When input voltage is greater than 2 volt, diode will be on, and when input voltage is less than 2 volt, diode will be off. So by using this comparison equations, we can draw our output waveform. When diode will be on, what is output? When diode is on, output will be equal to V input minus 2, and when diode is off, output will be equal to 0. Why output in on condition output is equal to V input minus 2? As you can see here in this circuit, that when diode is on, it becomes short circuited like this. In on condition, the circuit become like this. This diode is short circuited, and now what is input voltage? Output voltage. It is resultant of input supply and this DC voltage. This is 2 volts voltage DC supply. So what is input? Output V input minus 2. So it means that in on condition, output will be equal to V input minus 2, and in off condition, output will be equal to 0. Now we can draw its output waveform. To draw the output waveform, first we draw input, and for the different levels of the input, we will show the output values. This is our 10 volt AC signal, input signal. This is our input, and we have to compare this input by a value 2 volt. So we will draw a reference voltage 2 here. This is our reference level of 2 volt. So initially you can see here that up to this level, for the initial phase, when input is varying between 0 to 2, diode is off, and when diode is off, what will be the output? In that case, output will be equal to 0. So in this case, you can draw the waveform as at the horizontal axis. After that, for V input greater than 2, for this range of the input voltage, when input is varying between plus 2 to plus 10 volt, diode will be on, and when diode is on, output is equal to V input minus 2. You can see here the equation. When diode is on, output is equal to V input minus 2. So V input minus 2 means we have to shift this portion of the waveform by minus 2. It means by it will be shifted downwards by 2 volt. तो यहाँ पे आप ये देख सकते हैं कि ये जो वेवफॉर्म है हमारा, ये 2 वोल्ट से नीचे की तरफ शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. इसका मतलब ये है कि 2 वोल्ट वाला जो लेवल है वो हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस पे आ जाएगा, और जो मैक्सिमम लेवल है वो कहाँ चला जाएगा? इट विल गो टू 10-2, दैट इज 8 वोल्ट. तो दिस वेवफॉर्म, the input waveform is between 2 to 10, and the resultant output will be from 0 to 8. After that, input become less than 2, and when input become less than 2, you can see that output is 0 as the diode is off. So this is our resultant output waveform for the given input signal for the one complete cycle. I think it is clear to you. Now in the next video, we will take one other example of the bias clipper circuit to make it more clear to you. Thank you.